So today we're going to be preparing meals where we focus on how you can have less ingredients that are higher quality and have a better experience while you're off-road. Hi, I'm Tim Horst. We are doing 10 ingredients or less. Today we are doing seared sirloin with asparagus and a compound butter. So first off, we're preheating our griddle because we're searing our steak. So we're preheating it under a medium to high heat. We're gonna do this before we put the steaks on. We wanna make sure that the griddle is nice and hot so we get a good sear. So we're gonna check how hot our griddle is by seeing how well water dances on top of it. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna apply a little extra virgin olive oil to our steaks and then season them with salt and freshly ground pepper. So we're going to cook these to about 4 minutes on this side, and we're going to flip them. What we're looking for is a nice sear on that one side, because what we do not want to do is have to keep flipping them over and over again. So we're going to give it the majority of the time, the first time on this side. Adding oil to the griddle, because what we're going to do is we're going to sear our asparagus on here. Okay, we're flipping our steaks to make sure we get a nice even sear and crust on them. We're just looking to ultimately just turn these one time. So what we're going to be doing is testing for doneness here. Classic way to test for doneness is on the back of your hand. When you clench your fist and push on the webbing between your thumb and your forefinger here, you will get a classic medium rare feel to it. So by touching here and then touching here, if they feel similar, you're very close. So after we pull the steaks off, we're gonna let them rest for about 3 minutes so that we even out the heat throughout the steak. And I'm keeping the asparagus warm and reheating the parts that were previously cooked inside the juices that the steaks were cooking in. Okay, what we've got here is a classic compound butter. So I've taken unsalted butter, 2 sticks, and I've softened them and mixed them with fresh thyme, garlic, and salt and pepper. Formed it into a tube again and then put it in the fridge so it hardens up. So we can then cut into discs and place them on top of the steaks.